Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Juneau local and long-distance movers near me. 3 Movers is offering the top relocation services here in Juneau, Alaska at very affordable rates. Your belongings need to be well taken care of, and the easiest way is by relocating with professionals. The transfer of products from one state to another is known as long-distance moving. This frequently entails great distances of over 100 miles and a significant amount of time. To perform long-distance movement, solid planning and a well-managed group are required. 3 Movers is based in Juneau and provides long-distance moving services at extremely reasonable rates to all clients. We successfully fulfill our duties competently, giving our customers our very best thanks to a solid and well-trained moving team. The transportation of objects from one location to another within the same state or area, not exceeding 100 miles, is known as local moving. This is simple and quick because it includes short distances and takes less time than long-distance moving. 3 Movers provides high-quality local moving services at a low cost. We take great care with our clients' items, ensuring that they are protected from damage. To prevent any destruction or damage to your products, our transport trucks have been fitted with high-quality, well-designed panels. Moreover, your belongings are insured as long as they are in the custody of 3 Movers. The company will refund you in case of any accident during transportation. Which services do 3 Movers offer? Residential moving, commercial and office moving, local moving, long-distance moving, international and overseas moving, military moving, auto transport, storage, packing and crating, furniture disassembly and reassembly, container moving, specialty moving, moving resources, apartment moving. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.